Do you want to create this type of handwritten notes from any type of topic that you want to learn? Or if you're a teacher, you want to teach your students with this type of visual, engaging handwritten notes like this? Let me show you how to do this with Gemini for free. First, you need to come over to the Gemini, and then you need to make sure to choose the thinking option here. And after that, you need to provide a prompt here. So I'm going to provide this prompt, and I'm going to give the prompt in my description box, so you can just copy and paste it. Now to use this prompt for any topic, you can see there's an option of topic and also for the audience. So you need to give the topic here. For example, I'm just going to paste a topic here, the water cycle, and for the audience I'll choose for the 6th grade students must know. So as a teacher, I'm going to teach my students, for the 6th grade students, what should they know about the water cycle, and I need to get the information first. So I'm just going to click submit here, and Gemini going to give all the information about the topic that I given in the prompt. As you can see, it given me all the important knowledge about the topic that I given here. And after that, you just need to give a image prompt here. So you need to provide this prompt here. Don't worry, I'll also give the prompt in my description box, so you can just copy it. Now for the aspect ratio, we can create 9:16 or 16:9. So I'm just going to go to the tools option, and remember to choose the create images option and click submit. Then Nano going to read all this information that we just provided using this prompt. Then it will be create the image based on this knowledge. So let me just wait for a couple of seconds here. So as you can see, after a couple of seconds, Nano Pro just give me an image about all the knowledge information that provided by the water cycle topic. As you can see, now you can easily download it. Now look at this note here. It's really amazing. You can create anything, handwritten notes from any topic. You can also upload your own PDF file or any other documents. Go to the Gemini and upload your PDF. And you can also create this type of handwritten notes from your PDF or any other documents that you have. If you want to change the aspect ratio of this image, like if you don't like the 9:16 ratio, you can just change the 9:16 to 16:9 ratio, and you will get an image like this. So this is another handwritten sketch note about how the internet works. And as you can see, all the text and all the information are correct here. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create this type of handwritten notes with Gemini for free. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.